That one I'm not really going to show you how to make. I guess I could. I'm going to tell you how to make it, and then we're going to taste it.
Yeah.
So you'll taste the finished product, but you don't get to see me do my shaky. I know. Sorry. Disappointing. So a hot toddy. If anyone's sick, or not right now, but I mean if you get sick, I like to take it. If you're sick, please leave. That's Jerry back there, just go. Or these side doors. I feel like I'm on an airplane. Emergency exits. I'm not a huge tea person, but I can take hot water, some honey, and a little bit of lemon, mix that up together, and it seems to cure me pretty well. Now, if you're really feeling risky, throw some whiskey in there, right? And that'll really make you feel better. It's all up to you what kind you want to use. I like rye whiskey. If I had my choice, I'd have Templeton rye whiskey with me, but unfortunately I don't, but I have Jim Beam rye whiskey. Use whatever whiskey you want to use. I just like something with a little more flavor to it. So that's what we're going to use. And then for my rum, we'll get into that. You can use whatever you want. I had millions, well, not millions, but plenty to choose from with that. So the key to a hot toddy is what spices you're going to put into it. I walk around, I don't know if everybody has seen cloves before. You can get it ground, you can get it whole. We're going to use some ground for the hot buttered rum batter. For the toddy, you throw some whole ones in there. It's kind of like using ground cinnamon versus cinnamon sticks, which I'm going to use as well in these. Just almost look like mini chocolate. Or, we'll just leave it at that. We won't go the rabbit around here. Yeah, sorry. I did.
Those are some nice clothes.
Thank you. Thank you. So, hot water. Trying to think of the best way to get everybody their toddy. Should have a picture. That would have made it a lot easier. Anybody done with their water yet?
Yep.
Hey, perfect.
There you go.
Almost. Anybody need some water here? Yeah.
I spoke to their table.
I'm thirsty and this is cold. We don't want to mix that. That's alright. Hey, you get the ice. Okay, so for my hot toddies, honey. To me, probably the most important ingredient in a hot toddy, outside the booze and the water, I suppose. I have the recipe here. Obviously, I'm going to just kind of eyeball it. I'm not using anything to really measure it, just kind of my brain and how much is what. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I have it up. But if you're making one of them, you need about a teaspoon of honey. If you're making a lot of them like I am, just eyeball it. We're going to get into using some whole cinnamon sticks. You could use ground, but it's just not going to add all the flavor that I like to add to this. So per drink, I mean, it's almost really a garnish, but it's going to add a little flavor. I'm just going to drop all mine in here. Just got a whole bunch of them. We'll add half because I'm going to have to make 2 batches. And then some of your cloves, which I put over here. Gotta obviously mix it nice because your honey's going to be pretty thick down there at the bottom. Or you can have the honey in now. Still do the same. The lemon, I do have slices. I'm going to walk around and I'll let you pick one out and put it on the top of each one. Again, a little more of a garnish than maybe for flavor, but I still like that lemon twist in there too. That's kind of my enjoyment. But, see? So this is your base. I don't know if you want to give it a whiff or if I can even waft it by you. The base, missing the importance. The booze, obviously, to your liking. How much do you feel like cocktail? I feel like cocktail. You know, I mean, your standard. What? So your standard drink, 1.5 ounces. It's when you get some places that go with a 1 1/4 ounce pour, I do a 1.5 ounce pour. It's not too stiff of a drink, but it's just right so you can taste it. This is probably more of like a 2 ounce pour. But that's the enjoyment of this class, right? All right. I promise I'm not picking favorites.
That's all I gotta do.
Now I will warn you that you do need to watch out for some of the ingredients, some of the spices that I've thrown in there. I don't want anybody choking on any cloves or anything else, so we'll just get you all a little bit here. Or I think
Under the cap.
I
Oh, that big silver cap. Yep, that's the top cap.
who's next.
Today,
And if you'd all like to take one of those, pass it around.
and then this time.